Hey guys, welcome on back to M&M Homesteading. Well, as you can see in the last video, I said we didn't have enough snow to plow. Well, guess what? Now we do. So we're gonna get the plow out. I'd say we got somewhere between 6 and 8 inches at this point. And so I'm gonna get out the plow that I put on the ATV and give her a try here. Gonna have Maya do some filming while we get her done, and that's going to be the topic of today's video, getting this all cleaned up.
All right, guys, we're in the barn. Matt's got the plow all set up, warming up his hands before we get it going. The ducks are impressed. This right here, guys, is our hand warming break. We're not used to the low temperatures yet this year. Hoo-wee.
As you can see, Maya's already got the sidewalk done with the shovel, and this lake effect snow, you just never really know what's gonna happen.
It's just not there, and then it's here.
Yeah, in the other video we really didn't get any, as they said most of it was supposed to come like the other night, and then today it really amped up and we got a ton. So alrighty folks, we got a clear driveway, fine line down there with the plow and making sure I don't plow the stone up with the snow, but you know, I'm sure I'll get more used to it as time goes on. But we got her clear. That's all that matters. Alrighty folks, thanks for tuning in there as we cleared our first snowstorm of 2023 at the end of November here. So you'll be seeing this video beginning of December, but right at the end of November here we got slammed with some snow, so that's fun. But thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you have any tips for using a plow with a quad, I'd appreciate it. But that's about it. Without further ado, thanks for watching, guys. From our homestead to yours, M&M out.